Let's say that you have some idea of the break-even point, and that idea is some number. How good of an idea do you think your executives have at this point? Your middle strata executives? Well, not as good as we do anyhow. And what about an ordinary employee? How good is their idea of the break-even point? Even less than that. It's somewhere right here. Right. I'm going to show you one of the stable data right now, which goes like this. 7. Income is regulated by what an org thinks it has to have to operate. L. Ron Hubbard. What is an organization? It's our company, probably. What is it composed of? Of employees. And specific people. Yes. Who have their own opinion. Every one of them, regardless if they're the founder, the general manager, or, well, the development manager, or just the head of some department, or simply an ordinary employee. Each one of you has an opinion about how much an organization needs to be able to do its job, right? Yes. And you just told me now, or just agreed with the fact that the lower the employee is on the org board, the less of an idea he has about what the real break-even point actually is. I can see that you love money unselfishly. Tell me, what is an amount that you like? 5,000? A month? A year? I can see that we have our own separate ways. I need 500,000, and if possible, right away, not in installments. Is it possible that you take it in installments? I would. But I need it all right away. But why do you need that much money right away? Well, actually, I need a lot more. 500,000 is my minimum. I want to leave, Comrade Shura. Leave to a faraway place, to Rio de Janeiro. Based on this stable datum, number 7, we have the conclusion that there is an overall opinion of the whole company, and we can suppose that it looks something like that. It's some sort of an average of opinion based on what all of you have taken together. I think you get the idea, yes? Alright. But what are we supposed to do with all of this now? Well, at least you have to get the core staff of the company together and provide them the correct data about all the expenses that you have in your company. Factually, what you need to do is change the company's opinion about the expenses, and this will directly affect your income. True, very true, because all of our staff think that Dasher and I make millions, but the truth of it is that they haven't got a clue about all our expenses. Right, exactly. As a general rule, that is what happens. You probably asked yourselves about calculating this break-even point. Of course we did. Here I have a suggestion for you. I could recommend a friend of mine as a financial director of your company. She's a true specialist in that area. We're totally for it. I'll put a good word in for you, and you hire that person. She's the one who will help you calculate the right break-even point. We'll be very grateful to you. Alright, let's move on. The next stable datum that I want to talk about goes like this. And it's datum number 4. 4. The org's expenditures are not regulated by what the org needs in order to do business, but by what an org thinks it has available for expenditure. L. Ron Hubbard. As I've told you before, sometimes it's not that easy to duplicate and understand precisely and immediately what is being said here or what it means, just from hearing it, right? Yes. For this reason, I have a good example for you on this point. Let's take a look at it. Well, that is a very graphic example, wasn't it? Yes, it's all clear.